Ever wondered why sneezing feels so satisfying? It's your body's natural way of expelling irritants like dust and pollen. This reflex keeps your nasal passages clear, ensuring they function optimally and maintain your nasal health. Sneezing acts as your body's first line of defense against harmful substances. When your body detects potential threats, it triggers a sneeze to prevent infections from reaching deeper into your respiratory tract, safeguarding your lungs. By protecting your lungs, sneezing reduces the risk of respiratory infections. It's a simple yet effective mechanism that ensures harmful particles are expelled before they can cause harm, keeping your respiratory system healthy. Sneezing helps open up airways after a nasal blockage, restoring normal breathing. It resets nasal sensors overwhelmed by strong smells, improving air quality intake and oxygen flow. By clearing irritants, sneezing ensures you breathe easier. Subscribe our channel.